Welcome to Spring LIB.
Hello students. First of all, we have to calculate frequency of M allele in the population. So we are given that the population is composed of Manx and wild type cats. In a 4 Manx is to 1 wild type ratio. So 4 is to 1 ratio. Since the Manx cat, that is capital M small m genotype, carry the M allele or small letter M allele, we can calculate the frequency of the small letter M allele by considering the proportion of Manx cats in the population. So let us assume the frequency of capital M allele, that is P, and the frequency of small letter allele, that is Q. Since the Manx cats are heterozygous, that is capital M small m, the proportion of the M allele in the population can be calculated as 2 into number of Manx cats divided by total number of cats. Given that the ratio of Manx to wild type cat is 4:1, so we can assign 4x to the number of Manx cats and x to the number of wild type cats. So total number cats, that will be equal to 4x plus x equal to 5x. The number of capital M allele in the population, that is 2 into 4x, that is 8x. Frequency of M allele, that is P, equal to 8x divided by 5x equal to 8 by 5, which is equal to 0.6. So the frequency of small letter M allele, that is Q, that can be calculated by subtracting the frequency of capital M allele from 1, since there are only 2 alleles in the population. So Q equal to 1 minus P here, so that is equal to 1 minus 0.6, which is equal to 0.4. Therefore the frequency of small letter M allele in the population is 0.4. Now proportion of wild type cats in the F1 generation. In the F1 generation, we need to consider the offspring resulting from the random mating of Manx cats, that is capital M small m, and wild type cat small m small m. So the possible genotypes of the offspring are capital M small m and small m with the ratio 1:1. Since the small m genotype represents the wild type cats, the proportion of wild type cats in the F1 generation, that is 1 by 2, or we can say 0.5. Then frequency of capital M allele in the F1 generation. We need to consider the frequencies of capital M allele and small m allele in the offspring. Since the genotype of F1 generation are capital M and small m, the frequencies of the capital M alleles are the same as the proportions of the genotype. So therefore we can say frequency of capital M allele in the F1 generation is 1 by 2 or 0.5. I hope this video is useful for you. Thank you.